If you're looking to start a podcast in 2020, I'm going to show you how you can get everything you need to record a killer sounding podcast in one box. Hey, Travis here from AudioBiz, and I love podcasts. I love listening to podcasts, creating podcasts, and if you're thinking about starting a podcast in 2020, I wanted to save you some time of researching all kinds of different products to get yourself sounding great. So today we're talking about the Shure Digital Recording Kit. So Shure has put together this amazing kit for anybody who wants to do any type of recording, mobile recording, especially podcasting. So right out of the box, you're gonna get everything you need to start podcasting and sounding great. So let's go ahead and just take a look at what we've got in the box. So the first thing we're getting out of the box is the Shure PGA 58 microphone. This is a great dynamic microphone that's gonna sound great in a bunch of different environments. So if you're like me and you're podcasting, you may be podcasting from your home, your car, your hotel, on the road, and this microphone will perform exactly how you want it to in those environments. Now, in this box, there's also a 15-foot XLR cable that allow you to plug right in to the MVI interface. So next up is the MVI interface. I just love this interface. It is small and it fits in the palm of your hand, so it's definitely portable. It's gonna ship with both a Lightning and a USB cable, which means I can plug it into my computer and use my favorite DAW, or I could use the Lightning cable to record to an iOS device and use Shure's Motive Plus app, which is free in the App Store, to record uncompressed audio and just record wherever I please. Now this interface has everything you're gonna need. It's gonna have volume control, a mute, headphone monitoring. It's also got a dual XLR input, so you can either plug in your microphone or an instrument and record. And it's got 5 built-in DSP modes, and my favorite mode is voice. So I just plug in my PGA 58, put it in voice mode, and I'm automatically gonna have that broadcast-ready podcast voice that I wanna have on my recording. And that means I don't have to spend a ton of time editing and mixing and doing post-production to get my podcast sounding great. And the last piece in the box is a pair of Shure SRH240A headphones. These headphones look great, they sound great, they're comfortable, and we're gonna be able to use these to monitor our audio. So if we're recording by ourselves or if we're recording with a remote guest, we're able to monitor the audio in real time and make sure that our audio sounds great. So if you're finally ready to start that podcast in 2020, sharing your stories and your value with the world, look no further than the Digital Recording Kit. It's got everything you need, all in one box to start podcasting like a rock star. If you need more information on any Shure products or the Digital Recording Kit, visit audiobiz.com.